Yeah. Indeed, prayers they work. Oh, prayers they work. If I notice after I say make all the United fans more gather, more join hand, pray for Man U. If I notice now, Man U now we are back. We are back on our feet. That win against Chelsea is a very big win and massive win. And hopefully our form like this don't come back and our season don't start like this now. On Saturday, Brentford no go be issue for us. Definitely. Man U go win. And hopefully Chelsea again. Whether Chelsea go win their own, do I know? Chelsea go take on Brighton. That match could be a very nice and tough game though. Same Saturday, Man City they play, Liverpool they play, and Tottenham go take on Wolf. 9 ways end that Saturday games. And Eberechi Eze scoring first Arsenal goals today for EFA Cup where they play this evening. Manchester City win, Arsenal win, and Tottenham win, and Newcastle win. Thank you. I will see you for weekend. Thank you so much.